I just want to show you how I've made $120,000 almost with Kajabi. And this is my dashboard. And I'm just a normal dude who, I'm not saying that's a lot of money. And it took me 5 years to do that, but it's going up and up every year. I did 110,000 in 2020 online, 62,000 the year before, like 50,000 the year before, 30,000 the year before, 17,000 the year before that. So it's going up. But here's like all my offers and products and things like that. Once you get inside of Kajabi, you can click the link in the description below this video to get a free trial of Kajabi. It's an affiliate link of mine. Here's all my online courses. I'm in the landscaping and window cleaning service business and marketing field. I've created all these courses. Here's a quick little tip. I created this course called the Garden Bed Profits Accelerator. Well, at first I called it the Landscaping Business Course Part 2, because I have this first course here that did like 20 grand and I had a bunch of members. So I'm like, oh, I'm going to call it Part 2. I did it and it flopped and nobody bought it. So I rebranded the course and called it the Garden Bed Profit Accelerator and actually raised the price a little bit, and then it sold. And then it stopped selling, so I lowered the price. But anyways, I bundled it together with this thing. I did this Black Friday deal, which made me like 12 grand. Sorry, it's not on here. But anyways, once you make a bunch of courses, you can start to bundle them together and sell them like Brennan Bouchard does into like bundles. You could build your website on Kajabi. Nice websites too. Like drag and drop everything. Your actual domain name. Like here's my website. My blog. You can host your blog on Kajabi. You can do everything. Opt-ins, emails, embed videos. These are all my products. All linked out from like YouTube and Instagram and social media. Podcasts, coaching calls. I mean, literally everything. Kajabi does everything. I love it. You get analytics. I could spend an hour showing you all this stuff.